What's up, you fucking pussies?
Gamer God 88 here.
Player 1 select a pet for the red team. Sugar Daddy.
Cocoa nuts.
Like another pet. Licorice, because everyone likes a little bit of black.
Except for you. We gotta get these honey roasted coconuts, bro.
Gingivitis.
Can we end it? Everyone else a little salt and pepper.
Hey, yeah, alright. No. Shit. I'm player 2.
No. Oh. No. Allow it.
Allow it?
Allow it.
I don't want coconut, though. Nah, I don't want coconut. You're player 1, right? Okay.
I add honey. I add pepper. I want the ginger.
I had gingivitis. WASD. Alright. Here we go. Oh.
Where am I?
Look at this possession.
Where's my go? Keep up. Oh shoot, I'm way up here. Oh, touch! Touch of old glorious rapist! Stop. Oh! Why you block? Defense!
Protect the bait. Oh, fuck.
Park the fuck! Total attack! Defense! No, keep out! Oh, come on!
Oh, fuck, this is alright.
You know what they call me out on the streets?
Oh my
Why is my team retarded? Why am I retarded?
god. Oh, Sugar Daddy.
1v1 me, bro.
Fucking go for this line.
Oh my god! That's how cool!
What's up, you fucking pussies?
This game's hacks. Oh, no one.
Let's
go in here!
Oh, the touch. Look at the finish. Oh, come on, where are my teammates?
Oh! Where's the goal line attack?
Whoa!
Time for me to kick you. Oh. You see these arms, bro? I'm trying to carry this team. Kick it. With the ball.
I'm laughing so hard right now. Oh, 5 seconds. You ain't getting 2 goals.
Where's the ref? I got fouled so many times.
Fucking idiot.
Oh. Ref, this game is cheap. This game is hacks. Ref,
Look at the fucking possession.
he pulled on my tail. Ref, he pulled on my.
What?
Counter! Get in there! From there!
Oh.
No, what are you doing, you retarded monkey?
You guys over here too.
That's a little kid. Oh, that guy's. I don't like coconut. Wait, no.
Yes, you're coconut.
I know, but I don't like the other guy.
Come on, Sugar Daddy. Let's fucking go. Sugar Daddy's looking for his hat trick this game.
What a My team is useless. You're useless. Oh, no. That's a good shot.
What a finish.
Oh my god, it's Nelson Tyler and Andy Gray here with another friendly game of pet soccer.
What a save! Ooh, look at the possession. Oh,
Goalkeeper.
we're really brawling it out right now. Ooh, where the ball go? I crossed it. Oh,
Yeah, 2 hours.
oh, look at that.
Oh yeah,
no.
look at that.
Oh no. What a save. Ooh, broke your ankle. Oh shoot. Come on.
Park the bus! Park the bus! Everyone on the line. Oh.
3 seconds, 3 seconds. It's 3. Oh, was it golden goal? Oh, that's lame. We gotta play one more. Oh, come on. What the fuck were you passing?
Chase the balls. It's the best thing you have.
Oh, what was that pass?
You're always looking for balls.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the possession time is unreal.
Oh, you strip me of my privileges.
Fucking passing. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is a very intense game.
What a save.
Here we have what a fucking strike.
Top bins only. Okay. Oh. Oh.
Counter. Look at that pass. He's done it.
Oh. Oh, look at the possession time. Oh god.
Look at that defense. Look at that defense. Look at that
Oh. Oh.
If you can't go forward, don't try.
Finish.
What's that trickling? Yeah, walk back to the net. You're assassin.
Oh, shoot. Oh, that possession time.
I just gave you the juice.
Oh, fuck. It's 1-0. It's 1-0. I'm not ending on a tie again. Fuck. We have to keep playing. Only the best will win. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
the best. The best.
Oh my god.
The best.
Oh, look at that pass.
Look at that defense.
Jesus. Look at the crossover.
I make the ball. Oh, the woodwork.
It's the ball. This is fucking intense, yo. Look at that. Oh!
Get that out of here.
Break the fucking defender's ankles.
Get out of here.
Ooh. Oh, look at that pass. He takes it back. Oh.
Where's the slide tackle?
Oh, this possession time is so unreal.
That's okay. We're winning. Park the. Get that out of here. Get that out.
Ooh.
Cross it out.
Look at that assist. Yeah. Ooh. Another assist. Another one.
Oh, come on, guys. Apply to finish.
Fucking messing with me.
Looking like PB. Get in! Yes!
Oh, come
He's
on.
through. Oh, that defender. Oh, I just kicked it in.
Oh. Shoot, what am I doing?
What are you doing? Oh my god, my team's actually retarded.
Oh.
I didn't get some special ed. With the ball, with the ball. Get that out of here. Pop the ball.
I don't even know where to go.
Get it out of our half. Park the bus.
Oh. Look at this possession time.
That's okay.
Look at you, you little filthy prick.
Take it wide and out. Take it wide and out. Oh,
Wait, that's 1-1 now, right?
damn, you gotta hope we have enough.
Best of 3. No. No. What the finish? We're not going to be able to finish this game. No, allow it.
We got this. Let's go win.
Alright, let's go in. We got
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Come on, Ben. I'm a Ben.
What's up, you fucking pussies?